In this video, we are going to show you how to add Google Authentication to your Emergent AI project. Now, if you're creating an Emergent AI app or an app using Emergent AI, it's quite simple to add a authentication for using Google. So we have a prompt here to create a very simple app. So role, act as a senior full stack engineer and DevOps specialist. Task is build a minimalist production ready hello world web application from scratch. And we have core requirements, so like stack, authentication, autonomous infrastructure, user flow even. There we go. Page protocol and execution. And then we also have the constraint. So only stop if you encounter a physical wall like a 2FA prompt I must solve. Otherwise, handle all file creation, routing, and styling yourself. So click send. There we go. It's going to start making the app with a Google Authentication feature. All right, just like any other prompt or project you do with Emergent, it's going to ask you certain things. So it's going to give you, for this, 4 questions, and it's going to be multiple choice, so ABC, right? So we're just going to say, choose the first option for each question, or just choose A, right? Click enter or send, and now it's going to figure things out and has a more direct or linear approach to how it's going to create what we want. All right, as you can see here, we are now seeing the app take shape visually. So as you can see here, we have continue with Google, and it's going to have Google Authentication. There we go. We are near finishing this project. All right, it says here, login page is working per 3, 2, 1. All right, it says here, login page is working beautifully. Now let me call the testing agent. So again, further testing after this. It'll give you a summary of what it's done and that we are able to deploy it afterwards. So after that, it will be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.